Hi all, Nell Solomam on a workout day. I dislike working out alone. A workout partner changes everything. People think when you see a woman standing like this, fit, slim, confident, they assume I work out every day. But the truth is, I don't. Not because I'm lazy, not because I don't care about my body, but because I don't have something very important, a workout partner, and no one talks about how much that actually matters. My real confession, let me be honest as a solo mom. When you're alone most of the time, motivation doesn't come easy. A workout partner is not just about exercise, it's about accountability, safety, encouragement. Someone who notices when you disappear. When nobody asks, "Did you go today?" you start skipping. One day becomes 1 week, 1 week becomes months. As a solo mom, my energy goes to my child, work, family responsibilities, emotional labor. By the time I think about working out, my body says rest. A workout partner is not a luxury, it's support. Someone who says, "Let's go," even if it's just 20 minutes. The hardest part is not the workout. The hardest part is doing it alone. When you walk into a gym alone, walk the streets alone. Streets alone. You feel it. Some women stop working out not because they don't care, but because they're tired of pretending they're strong all the time. Men don't realize this. Sometimes a woman doesn't want a trainer. She wants a partner, not to control her, not to impress her, but to walk beside her. A man who says, "Let's take care of our bodies together." That's attractive, that's leadership, that's consistency. I'm not giving up. I still stretch, I still walk, I still try, but I won't lie anymore. Doing life alone makes everything harder, even taking care of yourself. So if you're watching this and you feel the same, you're not weak, you're human. And maybe one day, I'll have a workout partner. Until then, I keep showing up one step at a time. If you see me at a gym or fitness center, we can work out and be fit together, but only at the gym. Ha ha ha. See you next episode. I'm Nal Solomon.